Welcome to the channel. So I'm going to cover some really interesting information having to do with XRP, looking at maybe a move to $2 in the near future, beginning starting in the next couple of weeks. We're going to talk about that and the reality of that. Is that going to happen? We'll also wrap that discussion in the overall kind of what the market needs to do and the macro level, kind of zoom out. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. By the way, that subscribe button down there just means you want to follow me for my content, and it is free to subscribe to the channel. So if would you do that? It tells me that you want me to continue to cover XRP for you. So the overall crypto market is up 3% right now, looking actually really good and really strong. Bitcoin's up 3.9. Ethereum's up almost 2%. XRP itself is getting in on the action, up 1.5+%. Okay, so what I want to share with you is the fact that XRP is moving close to a quote major squeeze, and talk about XRP target. So there's an analyst, Michael XBT, that's come out and done some analysis looking at the overall kind of price action for XRP. And you can see this is his chart. If you want to pause the video, you can kind of take a look at that if you would like. But I'm going to use that as a reference point and then kind of move down here and give you the high level points, because I like to keep the videos short, very to the point, and get you in and get you out. So in that chart right here, this one, you see there right there in the red, you see the emerging trend lines are indicating that XRP has been steadily testing resistance points while maintaining a long-term upward support trend. Number one. Number two, in the orange, we know that the market's been relatively flat. It has been. We all know this in, June, July, August, flat months overall. September has been flat and down. We're down about 6%, kind of month to date. In the overall crypto market is really what I'm talking about. And again, talking about that in the context of XRP. But in the purple, the converging patterns on Michael XBT chart signal the possibility of, quote, a big move ahead with price action compressing into a narrow range, which is that squeeze. It's basically coming into the play that XRP is looking like it's going to do something, right? It's going to make a major move. Okay, and that's it. That's what the green is talking about right there. And then finally, we could see a primary target of around $2 with this breakout that begins. Now, am I saying that we're going to be at $2 in October? No, that's not my point. My point is that we will begin with a price action target of $2, downstream, probably potentially by the end of the year, first quarter. I mean, that's a pretty significant move. That's a 4x from where we're at right now. We have to continue to move up in that direction. Now, to kind of talk about that in the context of the overall crypto market, look, we've got positive move here. We've got a situation playing out where I want to make you aware of this right here. This chart showing you from all the way from 2013 to 24. This is Bitcoin, but this is the every month by year, the Bitcoin percentages. And I mentioned this earlier in September, which is right here where my mouse is. In September, the average has been down 5%, whereas October, the average has been up 23%. November, the average has been up 46%. And December, the average has been up over 5+%. Okay, so the point here is XRP, all of crypto market, probably remaining flat and or down just a little bit in September, queuing up for that October begin, which really kind of coincides with this chart action that we were talking about here, where we've got some activity or analysis that XRP is presenting itself in that capacity, kind of converging in that October beginning. September, not going to do a lot. I've talked about this. We might see some more positive momentum towards the end of September, the last week leading into October. Okay, but that's where we're at. So it's highly possible that, like we're with today, we're going to see a nice day where we're up 3% and we could give all that back, or 2+% of that, give it back tomorrow. That's that choppy volatility water scenario. Okay. And so to kind of wrap up, this is the XRP chart right here. You can see this is everything, kind of just a different view of it. And by the way, this is my software where that green circle is right there with that buy alert. That my software said it was time to buy. It's the right time to buy, to kind of begin to move that upward movement. Now you can see that those red boxes are momentum down. Every candle you see here is a 1 hour candle. Okay, so if you're interested in taking advantage of my software and looking at it and knowing when to buy and when to sell, it's a trading indicator. There's a 30-day no questions money back guarantee, and the software costs $1 a day. There's links in the description below where you can pick it up and take it for a test spin. Look, you got 30 days to take it for a test spin. Why not, right? You have nothing to lose. And by the way, this is the thank you page right here where everything is laid out for you. I show you this because it's like in as like 10 videos and they're like 1 or 2 minutes a piece. You can get everything set up and running in less than 10 minutes. You can use it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from anywhere in the world. And it also works on stocks. This is like Tesla's stock right here. Here's Apple stock. You can see like right here, that's the software giving you buy and sell alerts for Apple. Actually, I wonder what that one is. That's a buy and that's a sell. That's an 8% move. So yeah, you can use it to buy and sell stocks or crypto, whatever you would like. It tells you when to buy, when to sell. Links in the description below. Pick it up. All right. I will see you later. Have a good one. $2 XRP would not be a bad thing, would it? See you.